Okay, the first thing you're going to do is with your paper laying horizontal, you'll fold it hot dog style. After you fold it hot dog style, you're going to open it up and you're going to pretend that this this line right here, this fold line is your line that you're going to write on. So for an example, say this is lined paper. If you were to write on your lined paper, would you write like this or like this on the line? You would write like this, right? So pretend that this is your line on your lined paper. And you're going to make your letters. Now, when you make your letters, their letters need to be big enough so that it goes all the way across. If you have a long name, you'll want to practice. So if you have a long name, then what I would do is I would make sure that I write my name very lightly. So in case you need to erase, you can erase it. And I will give you an eraser too. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write my name really big. And I need to make sure that it goes and touches the line. You need to touch the line, okay? Then I'll make another one. C-O. Now, if you have a shorter first name or a shorter last name, pick whichever one is the shortest. L and then E. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this like block letters, okay? So I'm going to block it out very small, like that. You want to press really, really hard so that you can transfer easier. And make them thin block letters. Don't make them thick. So you don't want to make your letters like, for instance, coal. Let's put coal. I don't want my block letters to be that fat. Okay, I want them to be thin. Okay, see how thick that is? See how thin that is? Make them thin. Because then what you're going to do is you're going to take your paper after you write your letters and you're going to fold it over. After you folded it over, then you're going to take, you can kind of see your letters through your paper. Take your glue stick and right here on the corner of your glue stick, you're going to use the edge of this glue stick to scrape your paper real hard, okay? Don't do it so hard that you tear your paper, but hold your paper so that you don't tear it and do it slowly. Take your time. We have a couple of days to do this. So we'll do this today and then we'll do it tomorrow. Finish working on it tomorrow. And we're not painting these, so we'll be able to finish coloring them tomorrow. Then I will open it up and look at it. Whatever didn't transfer over, then I will close it again. Make sure that I scrape it some more in that spot until it transfers over. So all the letters need to be transferred over. Okay? Okay, then I will take my black marker and I will go over my lines. So right there. only on the one side. Don't go over the other side yet. You need to erase your pencil marks before you go over the other side. Because if you don't, then your pencil marks will smear when you go to color it. Do this very carefully. Okay, and then you will take your eraser and you erase these marks over here on this side. Because you can still see, since you did it hard enough, you will still be able to see your letters, even though you've erased your pencil marks. And then you will go over those with your marker. Okay, and I'll go over that with my marker too. Okay, now I will look at my artwork and I would think, well, let's see, what can I add to this to make it look like a bug or a monster or whatever. So I think what I'm going to do is, first of all, eyes. These look like eyes. So I'm going to take my pencil. Whatever I do on this side, I will close it up, scrape it, open it up, go over my lines, erase my lines. This is the process I will do each time. Okay, so I'm going to put an eyeball over here. So I'm going to go like this, put an eyeball, and then I'm going to put a little circle here and a bigger circle there. Then I'm going to take it over and I'm going to take my glue stick and scrape it to transfer. There we go. Marker. Then I will come over here, erase my lines, do the same thing. Okay, then let's see, what else can I do? I think I'm going to make these antennas, like on a bug. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put like that, close it, scrape it, because I want everything mirrored. This is a mirror image that we are creating. Erase my pencil lines, go over with marker. Okay. I think this kind of looks like a mustache, doesn't it? Or maybe even claws. Let's make these claws. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go up. Scrape. Do the scrape, do the scrape. And erase my lines. And then go over my lines. So I think you kind of got the idea. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up and finish it up. and then come back and show you what it looks like. Okay? Okay, so this is my bug.